Struggling to find a reliable eyewear supplier with stable quality? VISTALUMO is a professional eyewear company and long-term supply chain partner. We have our locked-in, well-established acetate partner factory, along with an experienced PC glasses production line. From raw material selection to production and final inspection, we ensure stable quality, competitive pricing, and reliable delivery. Our product portfolio is designed to support different market needs. For high-volume markets, we offer functional eyewear, including reading glasses. For retail and brand development, we provide stylish and market-ready sunglasses. And for active lifestyles, we supply durable and performance-driven sports eyewear. In addition, we also supply optical frames, sunglass, and fully coordinated accessories such as cases and cleaning cloths, helping you complete your entire product line with one supplier. With flexible MOQ and ready stock available, we support both small trial orders and large volume order, helping you reduce risk and move faster in the market. Whether you are a brand owner, importer, or retailer, we simplify your sourcing process and make cooperation more efficient and reliable. We follow strict quality control standards with inspection at every key order stage to make sure every order is consistent and meets your requirements. Our experienced team provides fast response and clear communication, ensuring smooth cooperation from inquiry to shipment. We cover functional, fashion, and performance eyewear, all in one place. Let's simplify your sourcing and grow your eyewear business together. We sincerely welcome friends to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.